Hello, classmates. This is Tina Gote. I am submitting my final summary and closing for Practicum 1, fall of 2019. My experience in the kindergarten classroom at Hector Hernandez Arana here in Puerto Rico. I enjoyed working with the children. I enjoyed most actually seeing their progress over time and teaching them something new and watching their natural experience unfold through their expression. And I also really appreciated the opportunity to collaborate with other teachers. So overall, I believe that the experience was definitely beneficial. I appreciate it and look forward to doing it again. Um, what I liked least about was really just not kind of knowing where you fit in, but that's natural in any new environment. It's expected, and once you figure that out, it becomes much easier, and you join the classroom. Um, the one thing that I learned out of this experience is how important a routine is, a morning routine, and having those transitions planned into every lesson. That was one of the experiences that I gained from actually implementing lessons and seeing how quickly something can get off track, or how quickly you can get it back on track with a simple song or transition song. So I appreciated learning that. My overall, like I said, experience was positive. Um, and I liked that I was able to grow my confidence in actually working with children. So that was one of the things that I think helped me kind of feel out and learn that this is really what I want to do. This is really a great place for me to be with the experiences I can bring and the opportunities that I look forward to in terms of working with children. And I guess the biggest takeaway was left me reevaluating how I plan my lessons and learning shorter time frames are more beneficial for children of smaller ages. Not so much instruction, less talking, more actual singing and playing and interacting with them is really how they learn. Um, and I think that that's one of my biggest takeaways. I also learned like I said, the value of the morning routine and how to use your resources, like use students to help other students, use teachers to learn new things, use different techniques for different subjects, and just really putting it all together to make one complete lesson, which overall by the end I was able to conduct one of those lessons seamlessly, almost from beginning to end. So it took a couple of tries, but I definitely had a great opportunity, and I tried to make the most of it. So again, I'm grateful for this chance, and I hope everyone had a good experience as well. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday, and if you're in practicum too, I will see you then. Bye bye.